Are you looking for the best toaster ovens? In this video we will look at some of the best toaster ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven. The Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven is a versatile and premium kitchen appliance designed to simplify and enhance your cooking experience. With a powerful 1800-watt heating element, this appliance combines the benefits of an air fryer and a convection toaster oven, offering a range of cooking functions to cater to your culinary needs. This multifunctional appliance comes with a variety of cooking functions to suit different recipes and preferences. The primary feature is the air fry setting, which allows you to achieve crispy, fried-like results using significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. In addition to air frying, the appliance offers the following cooking modes: perfectly toast your bread slices to your desired level of crispness. Number 2. Calphalon Quartz Heat. The Calphalon Quartz Heat Oven represents a significant advancement in kitchen appliance technology, designed to enhance cooking efficiency and precision. Its standout feature is the innovative quartz heating element, which offers an impressive 40% increase in even heat distribution and rapid preheating compared to conventional tube heating elements. This makes it a game-changer for achieving consistent and delectable cooking results. With an extra-large capacity capable of accommodating a 12-inch pizza, the Calphalon Quartz Heat Oven is suited for both family meals and gatherings. Its spacious interior ensures ample room for various dishes, allowing for versatile cooking options. The appliance boasts an array of 11 preset cooking functions, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. These functions include bake, pizza, broil, toast, bagel, roast, defrost, warm, reheat, cookies, and dehydrate. This comprehensive selection empowers users to easily prepare a wide range of culinary delights with precision and ease. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER for Slice Convection Oven. The BLACK+DECKER for Slice Convection Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to provide efficient and even toasting, baking, broiling, and warming capabilities. Incorporating innovative even toast technology, this toaster oven offers a specialized interior configuration that ensures uniform toasting of up to 4 slices of bread simultaneously. The compact design of the toaster oven is perfect for countertops, and its curved interior layout accommodates not only 4 slices of bread but also 9 pizzas, making it suitable for various cooking needs. Featuring for essential cooking functions, baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm, this stainless steel toaster oven offers a wide range of culinary possibilities. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast, reheating leftovers, or making a small meal, this appliance has you covered. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven. The Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance designed to provide easy access to your food and streamline your cooking experience. With its innovative roll-top door, this toaster oven allows you to effortlessly move the door up and out of the way, ensuring safe and convenient access to your food before, during, and after the cooking process. One of the standout features of this toaster oven is its user-friendly design that prioritizes cleanliness. The roll-top door design helps prevent messy spills and drips from falling onto the door, making it easy to keep the appliance clean and maintain a tidy cooking area. Equipped with multiple cooking functions including convection, bake, broil, and toast, the Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven offers a range of options to prepare a variety of dishes. It comes with 2 rack positions and an included bake pan, simplifying the process of cooking different types of foods. Number 5. Panasonic Toaster Oven. The Panasonic Toaster Oven is a versatile and user-friendly kitchen appliance designed to simplify your cooking experience. This innovative toaster oven boasts a range of features that make it a must-have for every kitchen, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey. One of the standout features of the Panasonic toaster oven is its unique infrared heating technology. Equipped with 2 infrared oven heating elements positioned strategically at the front and back, this toaster oven ensures efficient and even cooking results. Say goodbye to the hassle of preheating. The infrared heating elements provide rapid and consistent heat distribution, allowing you to achieve perfectly toasted, baked, and browned dishes in no time. Cooking your favorite dishes couldn't be easier with the 6 one-touch preset cooking functions that the Panasonic toaster oven offers. From toasting to baking and more, these presets take the guesswork out of achieving optimal results for your favorite foods. Additionally, the toaster oven features practical functions like reheat and defrost, providing the versatility you need to handle a wide range of culinary tasks effortlessly.